Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club weekly commodity report, the non-members edition for the 4th to the 8th of April 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodities markets. We'll be discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity insights, a snapshot of the latest developments. We'll review the top trades of the week, so a summary of open and closed positions, and we'll also provide you with our featured commodity this week, which we'll talk you through on the charts, and we'll go through exactly what we are looking at as we approach a fresh week here. So first of all, before we begin, let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the world's #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. We are regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading, and as internationally respected experts, our analysis and opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times and Wall Street Journal, to name a few. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth, generate substantial monthly income through commodities using our signature trading strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do go ahead and visit our website at www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. So we'll move over to a snapshot of the latest developments in the commodity markets. We now have the CFTC data available from Friday, which shows us that hedge funds have boosted their bearish oil bets for the first time in 8 weeks, which essentially means there's been an increase in sell short position for the first time in 8 weeks. A lot of the move to the upside has been supported by the CFTC report showing data, which has been very supportive for the prices. We've seen increases in bullish bets over really the last 7 or so weeks. Up until last week has been the first time in 8 weeks where we've seen hedge funds start to get a bit bearish here on oil, and subsequently we saw a 4% drop on oil on Friday, which I'll talk you through very shortly on the charts. If we look at the wider complex here for commodities at the moment, as we came into the close at the end of the week, we did see some additional inflows into the grains market, in particular wheat, soybeans and also corn actually as well. They've now come off off the record sell short positions which were previously on these markets prior to the USDA report. The USDA report came out last week, which once that had actually been delivered, we then started to see a bit of a buyback on the agriculture markets, on wheat, on corn, on soybeans. In fact, we've got some very interesting price structures on those as they close towards their daily highs, particularly on wheat and soybeans last week. So I would definitely have those on your radar as well. Gold net long, they rose to 14-month highs here. So we initially saw a bit of a knee-jerk reaction on gold on Friday from the non-farm payrolls, but we are so far seeing a bit of a supported bounce so far today. Gold's still currently sitting at $1,220 per ounce, which is near its close on Friday. So we'll definitely monitor that very closely this week. And bullish bets have also decreased on the oil market, as I mentioned. So oil is starting to look a little bit wobbly here at the moment. So what we'll do, we'll have a look at oil very shortly. Before we do so, we'll look at the top trades of the week using the Gold and Silver Club's signature trading strategies. We had a lovely opportunity to take a breakout trade midweek last week for 210 points off the comments from the Federal Reserve, Janet Yellen, providing support really to gold here, a big catalyst for the breakout to the upside. 210-point move that we caught back up to resistance there on gold. Also, soybeans gave us a good swing trade. We actually closed out this position prior to the USDA report. Very important when you've got a very big announcement like that to start moving up your trading stop loss. Make sure your trade is protected. We caught over 190 points on soybeans and banked our sugar trade for over 130 points as well. So it's been a great week. And now we've entered into a fresh position on oil, which is in fact our featured commodity this week, and I want to talk you through that and exactly what we're looking at the moment. So we've got a sell short on at the moment with light sweet crude oil. You can see here where we broke through the neckline on Friday. This is where we've entered into the sell short. So far it's looking pretty good for more downside at the moment. Certainly the CFTC reports, which showed a decrease in the number of long positions on oil, have also helped with a 4% move that we saw to the downside on Friday after Saudi Arabia said it will freeze output only if Iran does too. Saudi Arabia's Prince Mohammed bin Salman said on an interview last week that his country will only freeze oil production if Iran agrees to do the same, throwing the success of the April 17th meeting into doubt. So we've got on the 17th of April, that is the meeting on the production freeze, which is a meeting amongst the world's largest oil suppliers, which is crucial really for the next move here on oil. Now, in terms of major news coming out this week for oil, you've got the oil inventories coming out on Wednesday, the oil rig count, which will be coming out on Friday as well. But you definitely want to have the 17th of April firmly in the diary. Right now, oil was due a correction. It got very much overbought. Technically speaking, we definitely saw this was getting into overbought territory. It was due a healthy pullback. We had that healthy pullback, but on Friday, we actually broke through a critical level of support. And we not only broke through it, we closed below it as well. So we've had quite a significant close here on light sweet crude oil. And in the short term, we're looking for more momentum to the downside right now. So far on the day here, you can see we've already breached below Friday's lows. And we're looking in the short term for more downside. We will protect this trade this week. We're in a position now where we can start moving down and trailing our stop loss to really manage this trade nicely. You can see here where it broke the neckline on Friday. Good move to the downside. Same situation on Brent. Brent also, you've got this rolling over formation where Brent crude oil broke through its neckline. It closed below that level. You can see this whole consolidation zone and the level where oil broke out from March non-farm payrolls. This was a nice breakout zone for oil, which now started to roll over, closed below that level where it previously broke out from. And it's at a point now where it could start to pull back more significantly over the course of this week. Really, the catalyst for the next move here will be the 17th of April. That will be a big mover for the oil market. We could see big breakouts to the upside on that, or we could see continued sell-off. Really, it depends on whether they go ahead with an output freeze from that meeting. So we're watching the fundamentals very closely. Again, technically right now, we've entered into a sell short on this, supported by research, supported by fundamentals. We saw a 4% move already, so we're already in good profit on this position. Really, I'll be targeting at the moment next round numbers here. So $35 per barrel would be the next level, really. I'll be very interested in oil getting down to. But oil, I would suggest you definitely want to have that on your radar this week. So if you would like full access to our exclusive private members analysis, research and daily trade recommendations ready to implement, there is an opportunity for you to do so. I hope you have enjoyed the non-members edition today. It's only a very small percentage of what we provide for all of our members at the Gold and Silver Club. In fact, there is an opportunity for you to join our private members live trading room where you will get access to the following. You get access to exclusive weekly live trading room webinars, live trade setups ready to implement, real-time trade notifications, details of where we are entering, exiting and placing our stop loss on each trade, very transparent, live interactive Q&A via weekly webinars, and access to ongoing mentoring and support, as well as exclusive trading research and market insights. Now, you can get all of that by joining our private members live trading room. All you need to do is go ahead and go to the form at www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. Okay, so it's www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. Once you've completed the application form, we'll get in touch with you ASAP. You can also contact us directly at our UK office, our USA office, our Africa office, or our Asia office. The UK office is 0207 193 0403. Our US office is +1 646 808 0403. Our Africa office is +27 11 083 8403. And our Asia office is +852 8191 0403. And again, you can also just fill in the application form on the following link, www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. So with that, I wish you all a great week's trading. Really look forward to hear from those of you who will be making an application to the Gold and Silver Club, and of course working with those of you who will be joining us. So good trading, guys, and we'll speak to you real soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.